Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, today what I'm going to do is like a sunset look. Um, when I was scrolling through Pinterest, I always find my little ideas from Pinterest. When I was scrolling through Pinterest, I found this really cute look, but I'm going to try it out because y'all, it was so easy, but it was so beautiful. So I was like, you gotta try it out. You got to try that out. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then um I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm sorry I'm chewing gum. Oh, I shouldn't put nothing in my mouth. I shouldn't start chewing gum. But I'm gonna do my eyebrows and prime my lids and then I'll be back to explain what I'm doing. So I'm filling excuse me, I'm filling my eyebrows in with this eyebrow slash eyeliner gel from Juvia's Place. I really love Juvia's Place. They have some really good products, and it also came with this little brush that I'm using. So, and it came with, it was like a little bundle, but it came with a brown and a black. I used the brown for my eyebrows and the black for my eyeliner. So, my palette just broke, but this is the palette that I'm using. It's the 23 Perfect Matte colors, and I'm just going to apply a little bit over this. Alright, so I'm going to use my Under the Sea palette. It looks like this. And I got it from the beauty supply store. But I'm going to use these two colors today. And I'm going to start off with this one. And then I'm going to end with that one. So, I'm going to use my brush. And as always, I'm going to start on the outside. And I'm going to go all the way into my inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this burnt orange and just go over this lighter orange that I did. And then you'll see me put yellow like right up in there. And when I put the yellow on, I'm just going to blend it all together. So this is the burnt orange. I'm just going to put it in my crease and blend in circular motions. Alright, so I already added the yellow to my eyelid. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But I literally only added it right here. So as you can see, this side is not blended. So I just got some of the yellow and put it right there. And now on this side, what I'm just doing is just blending them together. Blending upward toward the orange, just so to give it like that sunset effect. And as you go, you can add more yellow just to make it pop a little. Alright, so as far as the eyeshadow, I'm done. This is how it looks. This side looks a lot better than this side, but that's okay. So now I'm just going over my concealer and kind of clean it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation and my beauty blender. I'm gonna use Revlon on the outside of my face, and then on the inside I'm gonna use this I Am Magic Julius Place foundation, and this in the color Kenya, because I wanted to blend, and the outside of my face and my neck is darker than the inside, so that's why I'm gonna do that. So my lashes are drying. What I'm gonna do is, and so y'all, I don't know how to contour, but um, I always see the girls put the powder under their eye and like a line right there, and I think that might give you like a little contour if you don't know how to contour, like myself. I don't know, maybe not. Alright, so now I'm gonna go under my eye, and the same eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use the orange. Will pop it out. So now I'm gonna go back in with the yellow and place it right under this. Yeah, I almost forgot to add my highlights. Almost forgot to add my highlight. I forgot the darn name of the wig, but I'm gonna find it and list it below. I want to say it's Yara, but I don't know. But so, fix my camera back. It's my little twig. I'm gonna put on my wig grit because y'all, this thing really be helping. For real, for real. I just started wearing this as a wig grit. I usually just use it to tie down my lace. Ooh, there goes that. Hopefully it act right. Lashes, I got them from my site. You can order them on my site if you like them. I'm just gonna add a little concealer to the part.